Anna has a little cat. The cat's name is Pip. Pip is black and very cute. Anna loves her cat. One morning, Pip is gone. Anna looks in the house. She cannot find her cat. Anna is sad. "Where is my cat?" she says. She looks in the garden. Pip is not in the garden. Anna goes to the park. She sees her friend Ben has a red. Anna says, "My cat is lost." Ben says, "Oh no, I can help you." Look, Anna and Ben look together. They look under a bench. They look behind a big tree. Then they hear a small sound. The sound is meow. They look up into the tree. Pip is in the tree. The cat is high up. Pip is scared. Ben is a good climber. He climbs the big tree. He carefully gets the cat. Ben brings Pip down. He gives the cat to Anna. Anna is very happy. "Thank you, Ben," she says. Anna hugs her little cat. Her lost cat is now safe. Tomorrow, Pip has a surprise for Anna.